Today's topic is menstrual hygiene. But before I start telling you about menstrual hygiene, let me explain to you what menstruation is. Okay, so menstruation is the monthly flow of blood from the uterus of a woman through the vagina to the outside of the body. Most people refer to menstruation as period. They are not wrong. Menstruation can also be called period. This period can last from up to 4 days to 7 days. That's a long period of time, which is why I'm here to tell you about some menstrual hygiene that you can practice while seeing your period. Number 1, keep your genital areas clean. Please, I beg you, my ladies, when you are seeing your period or when you're on your period, endeavor to wash your private parts clean. Wash it with ordinary water, please. Not with soap, not with Dettol, not with any antiseptic, not with any chemicals. Please use ordinary water. It is advised for you to use warm water. It's also good for you to use warm water, but please let it be ordinary, clean water. Number 2, change your sanitary pads at least 3 times a day. Now, it doesn't matter how light or how heavy your period is. Make sure or endeavor to change your sanitary pads regularly. If your period is a heavy one, once your pad gets filled up, please rush and change your pad. You can change your pad even 5 times a day, depending on how heavy your flow is. But even though your flow is a light one, endeavor to change your pad morning, afternoon, and night. And mind you, as you're changing your pad 3 times a day, endeavor to be taking your bath too. You cannot be changing your pad without taking your bath. Body hygiene is very, very important. Make sure you take your bath too as you're changing your pad. You can take your bath 3 times a day or even 4 times a day, depending on how discomforting you feel or how uncomfortable you feel. Number 3, drink water regularly. Very important. Now, water helps to wash your urinary tract and it helps you to prevent some urinary tract infections like vaginal candidiasis. Number 4, please, if you're going for swimming or you're going for gymnastics, I beg you, use tampons. A tampon helps to absorb the blood that is flowing out of the body through the vagina. So please, endeavor you change your tampons 3 times daily too. Also, for those of you that use tampons, don't wait till the tampons get filled up and heavy before you change it. Please, at certain time interval, change your tampons. Number 5, please, my ladies, when you're on your period, I beg you, use deodorant, I beg you, or use perfume, please. It's very important. Also, for those of you that used to have abdominal pain, or some people may call it menstrual cramp, please endeavor to take painkillers. It is not wrong to take painkillers, but if you're the type that don't like medication, you can use warm water or even hot water. You can also take hot tea or ginger tea. It helps to suppress the pain and reduce the pain. Some of you that you know you used to have menstrual cramps, and you know that your menstrual cramp is a serious one, your period will start 2 to 3 hours going into your period. You will not take drugs, though. They will be telling you, take painkiller now, take painkiller. You say, no, I can bear it, I can bear it, I can bear it. Then getting to 7 to 8 hours, you will now start crying, start rolling on the floor. Don't wait till your period pain get worse before you take medication. Please, if you're the type that experience this heavy pain, this serious pain while seeing your period, once you notice 2 to 3 hours that your period has started, please take medication. Number 6, endeavor to wash your pants regularly and sun it. Make sure you sun it properly and it gets dried properly before you wear it. Number 7, if you're the type that you don't like using sanitary pad, you don't like using tampons, you don't like using toilet paper, you are not comfortable with anyone, it's clothes you like using, where you go and cut clothes and fold it and use, I don't judge you. I'm not judging you. But please, endeavor to wash that clothes. Once it gets filled up with blood, endeavor to wash it. Wash it properly and sun it. Make sure you sun it. It's very important for sun to touch your underwear. Number 8, and lastly, please, let me sound this as a note of warning, and let me also beg you, stop having sexual intercourse during your menstruation. Stop having sex when you are on your period. You are increasing your chances of getting sexually transmitted infections. You are also increasing your chances of getting pregnant. Yes, please, this year, we don't agree for any sickness. Let us stay safe. Thank you.